Imagine this for a second. It's Monday morning. Your inbox is full, deadlines are chasing you, your team is asking questions from every direction, and you're already tired before the day even starts. Now imagine opening one single tool that helps you plan faster, communicate better, avoid mistakes, and stay in control without working longer hours. Sounds too good to be true. Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how smart project managers are using ChatGPT to completely change the way they work. Welcome back to Smart Work Hub, where we talk about working smarter, not harder. If you care about productivity, leadership, and real tools that actually save time, make sure you subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be glad you did. Let me start with a quick story. A few months ago, a project manager I know was close to burnout. Multiple projects, tight deadlines, different time zones, and constant follow-ups. He wasn't bad at his job. In fact, he was very good, but the workload was just too much. Then he started using ChatGPT, not as a chatbot, but as a project management assistant. Within weeks, his meetings were shorter, his plans were clearer, and his stress level dropped. That's when I realized this tool isn't about replacing people. It's about helping smart people work smarter. So let's break this down in a simple way. Project management is really about 5 things: planning, task breakdown, communication, risk management, and tracking progress. ChatGPT can help with every single one of these if you know how to talk to it properly. First, planning. Instead of staring at a blank screen trying to build a project plan, you can use ChatGPT to create a clear roadmap in minutes. You can tell it your project goal, timeline, team size, and constraints, and it can suggest a complete plan with phases, milestones, and priorities. The key is being specific. The more context you give, the better the output. This alone can save hours at the start of any project. Now let's talk about task breakdown, something many project managers struggle with. Big projects feel overwhelming because they're not broken down properly. ChatGPT is excellent at turning big goals into small, manageable tasks. You can ask it to create a work breakdown structure, assign responsibilities, and even estimate effort. This is especially powerful when you're onboarding new team members or working with juniors who need clarity. Here's where things get even more interesting: communication. This is where most projects fail, not because of bad planning, but because of unclear communication. ChatGPT can help you write clear emails, meeting agendas, follow-up messages, and even difficult conversations with stakeholders. Instead of sounding rushed or unclear, your messages become structured, professional, and easy to understand. And no, it doesn't make you sound robotic if you guide it properly. By the way, if you're already finding value here, drop a quick like on this video. It really helps the channel grow and tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. Now let's move into risk management. This is something many people ignore until it's too late. You can use ChatGPT to identify potential risks in your project before they happen. You describe your project, and it can suggest common risks, possible impacts, and even mitigation strategies. Think of it as a second brain that has seen thousands of similar projects before. Another powerful use is decision support. When you're stuck between options, ChatGPT can help you think through pros and cons, trade-offs, and consequences. It won't make the decision for you, but it will help you see the situation more clearly, especially under pressure. Progress tracking is another area where ChatGPT shines. You can use it to summarize weekly updates, turn messy notes into clean reports, and even prepare status updates for leadership. Instead of spending hours formatting slides, you focus on what actually matters: progress, blockers, and next steps. Now here's something most people don't talk about. ChatGPT can help you become a better leader. You can ask it for advice on handling conflict, motivating team members, or managing underperformance. It's not about replacing human judgment, but about giving you perspective when emotions are high and time is limited. Quick reminder: if you're enjoying this kind of practical content, make sure you're subscribed to Smart Work Hub. We post videos like this regularly, focused on real skills for real work. Let's talk about what not to do. ChatGPT is not a magic button. Don't blindly copy and paste everything it gives you. Always review, adjust, and apply your own experience. The best results come when you treat it as an assistant, not a boss. One of the smartest ways to use ChatGPT is creating reusable prompts. Once you find a prompt that works for planning, reporting, or communication, save it. Over time, you build your own project management system powered by AI. And here's the big mindset shift. Project managers who use tools like ChatGPT aren't lazy, they're strategic. They focus less on busy work and more on thinking, leading, and solving real problems. That's the future of work. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you used ChatGPT for project management already, or are you just getting started? Drop a comment below and tell me what you're most excited or worried about. I read every comment, and your question might be featured in a future video. If you found this helpful, share this video with a teammate or friend who's always overwhelmed with projects. You might literally save them hours every week. And remember this: tools don't make great project managers, mindset does. ChatGPT is just a powerful extension of how you think, plan, and lead. Use it wisely, stay curious, and keep improving. Thanks for watching Samart Work Hub. I'll see you in the next video.